Hi friends, welcome to your favorite channel Excel by Raghav. In this channel you will find all Excel related videos right from basics to advanced level, which includes various formulas, functions and of course automation codings, which gives you a step-by-step direction and is helpful in writing VBA macros as per your requirement. Keeping in view of your precious time, I am trying my best to keep the video length shorter with in details of every topic so as to give you more understanding. Every day new videos will be uploaded, so keep watching for more and more videos and make yourself an Excel wizard. I see many viewers have not subscribed the channel, and I request you to kindly subscribe, like and promote the channel, and finally leave your valuable comments which will be answered sooner. Today's tutorial we will learn about VLOOKUP, when to apply, how to apply and its uses. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up the data in a table organized vertically. Use VLOOKUP when you need to find things in a table or a range by row and can search for data in number of rows. But remember, though the action is faster, the system gets slower if the workbook has many other functions or the formulas inserted in the same sheet where VLOOKUP is applied. VLOOKUP can be executed either within same sheet, different sheets, or even from other workbooks. VLOOKUP is most complicated among all other functions. A simple VLOOKUP has a disadvantage since it picks up only the first available data, though several records are available against the same record. Let's see the different cases of simple VLOOKUP in this tutorial. I have two different tables in same sheet, one showing lecturer's name and the subjects they teach, and other data only with the lecturer's name. In this, I would like to get the subjects they teach. So I'm going to apply a VLOOKUP function within a sheet. So I'll use is equals to VLOOKUP, then press tab, then select the single cell, then press Ctrl space bar so that your entire column gets selected. Then press comma and go to the source destination, that is in this case my column B is and C are the source destination. So I want the data of column C, which is, and in this case I have only two columns, that is B and C, B being the first and C being the two. So I want the data based on first column get the data of the second column. So here once I select the criteria, that is from B and C, so I want the data from the second cell, that is C, that is nothing but the subject. So I'll press 2, then I'll just enter another comma and then 0, so that it will show me the true if the data records matches. Then finally I'll press the close brace and then click on enter. That's simple. As said, VLOOKUP, simple VLOOKUP. This is a simple VLOOKUP. So though I have names of cherry getting repeated 2 times, that is for one for max, another for social, but I'm getting only the max. So now I'll apply the same formula for the rest of the data, that is by copying the data using Ctrl C, and for selecting the entire data, that is from the down to up, I'll use Ctrl Shift and up arrow, then press enter. See, friends, here in this case Krish, here Krish is teaching in two subjects, that is one for social, another for science. But here I am saying only one value, social, and again social. But whereas science is not getting picked up. This is called a simple VLOOKUP without any other additional functions. Now let's look at the another option, that is VLOOKUP from another sheet. That is, here I have sheet 4. I have pre-filled the data in sheet 4 in order to avoid the time. So let's, the same criteria is equals to VLOOKUP, then select the name of the lecturers, press Ctrl spacebar and then comma, go to the sheet where the data is available within the same workbook. Here my workbook is Excel 2. So now I'm going to sheet 4. Then from the top I am selecting B and C column. That is B being the one and C being the second column. So based on the lecturer name, I want the subjects they teach, which is in second column. So once I select the data criteria, I'll press comma and then 2 and again comma, then 0. 0 indicates true, which means if the data is available, I will get the data, or else it will show me the hash NA. Then once the entire criteria are selected, then close the brace, then enter. Copy the data and apply to rest of the data and then press enter. See, here also I have cherry getting repeated 2 times, but it is speaking only max. This all happens in the simple VLOOKUP. Now let's look in the other way of doing the VLOOKUP, that is from one Excel workbook to another Excel workbook. Here my Excel workbook is Excel 2, where I am trying to fill the data from the Excel workbook 1. So I'll use the same method, that is equals to VLOOKUP, then tab, then select the column where the name of the lecturers are available, then press comma and use Alt tab to toggle between the workbooks. So here my workbook is book 1, and in column B I have the lecturers names and in column C I have the subjects. So I have 2 columns. So I want the data from the second column. So once the range is selected, then press comma, then I want the data of the second column, so I'm pressing 2, then comma and then again 0, then close the brace. Now press enter. Here you can see the data, and to apply the same formula for rest of the data, copy the data, move a cell back. With the use of Ctrl and down arrow, it will directly lead you to the last cell, and move one step, and with the help of Ctrl Shift and up arrow and one step down, press enter, so that in a single shot all the data of the VLOOKUP will be appearing. See, this is a simple VLOOKUP method. Hope you have liked my video, friends.